The coffin position is the worst place you can put your bed, and most people have no idea they are doing it. Your door is the mouth of a chi. When your bed lines up directly with that doorway, you are lying right in the current. The energy rushes straight through you instead of settling around you. I'll show you why this drains your life force and the quick fixes you can do today. We'll cover the command position, barrier tricks, and what to do if you can't move the bed. This is practical Feng Shui, common sense, no fear, just a better sleep and a calmer chi. Let's define the problem so the fix makes sense. When you sleep in line with the door, it creates a wind tunnel effect. The chi rushes in through that doorway and flows right over your body, pulling your energy out with it. You can't settle because you are lying in a stream of movement. The stakes here are restless sleep, those sudden wake-ups where you feel startled, scattered focus during the day. It's not the best thing for your health or your money luck either. So what exactly is the coffin position? It's when your bed, when it's your feet or your whole body, sits directly aligned with the doorway path. That is a straight shot from the door to your bed. In ancient times, this is how they carried the deceased out, straight through the door. It's not superstition, it's about energy flow. The command position is the solution. You want to see the door, but not be in its direct line. Think of it like having a solid wall at your headboard. That's your mountain giving you protection. Here is a quick test. Stand at your bedroom door and draw an imaginary line to your bed. If that line hits your legs or torso while you are lying down, it's wrong. The primary fix is simple. Shift your bed diagonally or sideways so it will keep sight of the door but break that direct alignment. If you can't move the bed, create a softer barrier. A screen, a slim bookcase, or tall plant will slow the chi down. A thick rug between the door and the bed works like a sponge, absorbing that rush. Even a rounder works in tight rooms. Check your headboard too. Use a sturdy one against a solid wall to anchor yourself. Never put your head near a window. A light footboard or bench can help stop the energy rush without blocking your room. Close your bedroom door at night and add soft, warm light by the door to calm the entry point. Common mistakes I see are tiny screens that are too low, or mirrors reflecting the bed from the door side. That's just wrong. Your quick win today is to move 8 to 12 inches of that direct line. Add a rug and test your sleep for 2 nights. Once the current slows down, your room starts to feel safe. If you remember nothing else, see the door, don't line up with it, and anchor your headboard against a solid wall. Try that 8 to 12 inch shift and the rug tonight, and then tell me how you sleep. If you want more simple, powerful fixes to restore peace and fortune in every room, tap the subscribe button now. Remember, common sense Feng Shui means better sleep, calmer chi, and a life that flows. I'll see you in the next video.